So I'm here today and I said I would come back with a video doing some type of mukbang or just letting you know how it actually tastes with the Trifecta. This is the beef chili with sweet peppers and zucchini. Doesn't look very appetizing right now, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get it open. I did put it in the freezer first, so I have to let it thaw in the fridge for a couple of days, but you don't have to put these in the freezer when you get them. They last about 5 to 7 days in your refrigerator. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open, get it into the microwave, and then we'll come back. So I got the meal all warmed up. Not actually sure if I was supposed to cut the plastic film off or leave it on and heat it, but you saw that I took it off. So let's dig in and see what this is like. Oh my gosh, I don't want to burn my tongue. It's really good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so that's really good. And you guys saw that was fast and easy. And the macros on this were excellent. This is the Paleo version. And so yeah, I'm very pleased. So I hope you will try Trifecta if you're trying to like get your macros in check, or just have meals that are ready so you don't have to like eat out and eat fast food. And yeah, that was really good. Let me try another bite. Get some of the red peppers. So this has spinach and summer squash, zucchini. Oh, and it's all organic. Grass-fed ground beef. It's really good. I'm really impressed. This meal had about 350 calories and I think 30 grams of protein, but I'll put that in the description notes. So thanks for watching, guys, and just let me know in the comments if you have tried Trifecta and what plan that you're on. Okay, talk to you next time. Well, I'll do another one, but thanks for watching. Bye.